Welcome traders to the next video inside our Alpha Traders community. On today's video, we're going to talk about fundamental analysis, okay? The perspective that we have and how we manage its releases upon our trades, our analysis, and everything else. We do not take it as a major confluences for our trade, but we do consider it for a reason. So stick to the video and let's find out. So let's jump to my computer so I can show you exactly what we do and how we do it. So here we are inside my computer. I'm gonna reload the website, refresh the page, and the website, it's called forexfactory.com. Some of you may know it, some of you may not. So here it is. And once you get to the website, this is pretty much what you're gonna get. All right. So we at Aether Forex, we do not look at anything else besides the news releases that sits in the middle of the website. All right. You can go and search for whatever you want, but we do not. Okay. So for example, on today, April 23rd, we have a few new releases, okay? So the red is the most important one, and those are the one that we consider the most, okay? And we also take in consideration yellows and all the other ones, because many of the releases will impact the market with some volatility, okay? So we believe that the news are for volatility purpose. So some news are released weekly, some news are released monthly, every 3 months, and so on. All right. So for example, over here we got right now it's 4/17. So we do not know if the news are going to be released positively or negatively, meaning the previous release was 0.5. They're expecting a 0.2. So if it is 0.2 and above 0.3, it will be green. So it is good. And if it's under or 0.1 and less, negative and so on, it will be bad. But what you can do, we don't know if the good release, the positive release, or the negative release will impact, how it will impact the pair, if it go up or will go down. Okay, so what you can do is you can back test it. For example, you can click on CPY on this little folder, and it will show you the history. So the last release that we had was in January 29 of 2019. And what you can do is you can go to the chart, and you can go back to when was it? January 29 of 2019. So if we go back to January, is this right? Let me see. So just want to make sure that it was the previous release if we did not have any before it. So what we do now is we look at the time it was released. It was released at 9. It was released at 8:30 p.m. So you can go to the hourly chart and go to January 29th, which it was there, but since I reloaded. So and then 29, and then I go to the hour it was released. It was released at 8:30. All right, let me double check. 8:30 p.m. So I go to AU, and if I go to 8:30, which is 20, you see that the news was released as positive because we were expecting a 0.4 and we got 0.5, and the impact was a small bullish run of 10 pips. So what you can do is you can back test as many news as you want and see how the impact was and take it as a confluence for your trade if you want to place positions based on data releases. Okay, I personally look at data releases for opportunities for my take profit positions to be taken, or for those positions that have huge stop losses, maybe I get it shorter or to break even. So if when the news are released and we have maybe a volatility kick in and then spike to the upside and spike to the downside, my stop loss and my take profit will be safe, and my trade will not be with some additional risk for no reason. All right. So that'll be it for this video, and I hope you got it all. How it's our perspective when it comes to fundamental analysis, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.